This is Sonia Schreier-Norris, Project Coordinator for Ploud at the Library of Michigan. Thank you for joining me for a short Ploud-specific tutorial on tips and tricks everyone should know. It's easy to miss some of these tips, even if you're a longtime user, so I hope you'll find these useful. These are our topics for today. Using display options to make your folders look better, how to move pages and subfolders so they display in a different order, updating the dates on your news items so they look fresher, using the drop-down menu to add new selection options to folders, and how to go down a single line by using Shift-Enter. Let's go to the demo site to show you these things. So the first thing I want to talk about today is using display options to make our folders look better. Let's go to the Tech Corner. In another video, I showed you how to use a cover page to make this folder display in a nice way. There are also some other options that you can use if you prefer not to use a cover page. If you come here under Display, you'll see that the default view is called the Standard View whenever you add multiple pages or links to a folder. However, there are some much nicer views that you can use very simply and easily. First, let's take a look at the Summary View. Here's what a summary view looks like for a folder. It shows the title of the page as well as the summary text and a link to read more. There is also the tabular view. This would be for something where you had individual files, not so great for pages. The thumbnail view is for images. There is also, I'm sorry I skipped it, the All Content view, which allows you to see all of the content in all of the pages in your folder. So those are some nifty display options, and they can really go a long way in making your folders look better. Let's take a look at how to rearrange pages and subfolders so they display in a different order. If we come to our main navigation bar, we see we have About Us, News and Events, Kids and Teens, Research, Tech Corner, and Friends. We can change this order by going to our Personal Tools menu and going to Root Folder Contents. In Root Folder Contents, we can choose to move these folders by using a drag and drop method. Now I've moved News and Events to be my first option, and I'm going to move Research after About Us. I'm going to refresh my page. News and Events, About Us, and Research. It's that simple. If you would like your site assets to be at the top so that it's easier to find your images and your other assets, that is a nice thing to do as well, to move your site assets to the very top of your folder so that it's easier to find. Let's talk about dates. Here in our news section, we have a number of items that may become a little bit stale looking over time because they have a date. For instance, you may have a director's message from last year or the year before. If you update the content there, you'll also want to update the date so that it appears fresher. Let's take a look at how to make that happen. We're going to go to News and Events and go to News. I'm going to open up New Storytime Program, go into Edit, go into Dates, and simply change the publishing date to today, October 13th. I'm going to save that. And now the date in my news item is October 13th. It's a very simple way to keep your news items looking fresher. The next item is about using the drop-down menu to add new selection options in folders. Here's a great example of how to do that. We're going to go back to our root folder contents in our Personal Tools menu, open up Site Assets, and this time we're going to go into Files. Let's say we want to start a library newsletter and we know we're going to have lots of newsletters that we want to keep all together in one place so they're easy to add, edit, and delete later on. We can add subfolders within our Files folder. We simply use the Add New drop-down menu and go to Restrictions. And I'm going to say I also want to have the ability to allow a folder in this drop-down menu. And I click Save. Now within Files, I can add a new folder called Newsletters. I save it, I publish it, and this is where I will save my newsletters. The last trick is the ability to go down a single line in Ploud. It's actually the same feature that you use in Microsoft Word. Let's say I wanted to add a fax number to my contact information. If I put my cursor at the end of the phone number and simply hit Enter, it goes down an entire paragraph change, or 2 lines. However, if I do a Shift Enter, then it simply goes down 1 line. Shift Enter takes you down 1 line. That concludes this video on tips and tricks everyone should know for Ploud. I hope you've discovered some takeaways that you can apply to your own site. This project was made possible in part by the Institute of Museum and Library Services. Have a great day.